Today we will be showing you how to extract a tape from an HP DDS tape drive. This tape extraction procedure will work for all generations of HP DDS drives. Please be advised, this is for extraction of a tape from a defective tape drive only. Removing the tape from the drive will not fix the faulty drive, and the drive itself will still need to be replaced. You will start by removing the right side metal rail if there is one installed. This will require either a Torx or Phillips head screwdriver. Some applications do not use these rails, so if you don't have them installed, just proceed with the rest of the extraction. Now you will need to use a small Phillips screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver into the hole in the back right side of the drive. Rotate the screwdriver counterclockwise to start rewinding and ejecting the tape. This procedure can take quite a bit of time. You will then see the tape start to come out of the drive, and you will just need to keep turning the screwdriver until enough of the tape is out of the drive so you can grab it with your fingers and pull it out. If you are returning the defective drive as a core exchange to the rocket platform, you do not need to reassemble the drive. Simply place the top cover back on the drive and ensure that all screws and other small parts are included in the anti-static bag with the drive before shipping it back to us. If you have any further questions about tape extraction from an HP DDS tape drive, please reach out to us at support@therocketplatform.com. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.